Are you tired of putting off your dreams until tomorrow? Guess what? Tomorrow never comes. We all have limited time, and every second brings us closer to the end. But don't let that scare you, let it motivate you. Do It Today by Darius Foroux is your ultimate guide to breaking free from procrastination and taking action now. Learn why we procrastinate and how to overcome it. Discover how to boost productivity without stress. Achieve meaningful success and enjoy life more. This book isn't just theory, it's based on real-life experiences. The author himself procrastinated writing for 10 years before finally taking action in 2015, and he never looked back. His 30 best strategies will help you. First, break tasks into small, achievable steps. Second, focus on what really matters. Third, stop waiting for the perfect time and start now. Review first. This book changed my perspective towards doing things ASAP. Review second, powerful message in simple language. Read, understand, and take action. Review third, overcoming procrastination made easy with practical steps. Review fourth, a great book to read and reread again. Readers worldwide are loving this book. So, are you ready to take charge of your life? Get your copy of Do It Today now. Start your journey to productivity and success today. Like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing books.